Hello, good day friends. Today we will see how you can disable notifications in Samsung A07. It's very simple. You just need to go to your settings, scroll down and click on notifications. We have two options, lock screen notification and general notification. Let's see first lock screen notification. For that, you need to click on lock screen notification. Here are multiple options like for example, I go to settings. Here are the apps which I want to see notification of. And here are the apps which I don't want to see notification. For example, if I want to see the notification of health, I need to enable it. And there are multiple options how you want to see that. Now go back and let's see the second option. The second option is do not disturb. If you enable this option, all the notifications will be disabled, but you can set the time. For example, if you want to disable notification for certain time, like 2 hours or 3 hours, you can do that from here. So I hope you like this video. If you do like, please hit a like. Do consider subscribing and I will see you in next video.